Most coaches are stuck under 100K because they only have one revenue stream. I'm gonna show you the exact 3-tier system that can take your coaching business to 500K and beyond. This is the same revenue model I've used to close millions of dollars in the coaching space in just a few short years at the LA Group. I'm breaking down exact pricing, client allocation, and build orders so you know exactly what to do first. And if you're thinking, you know what, Tommy, I don't have a big audience yet. Trust me, this works at every stage. You just scale the numbers. Now let's get into it. Revenue stream number 1, premium one-on-one coaching. Now, why is this important? Your one-on-one premium coaching should be the highest ticket offer you have. This is where you serve at the deepest level and charge accordingly. In the $500,000 model, the stream generates $240,000 annually, almost half of your revenue. When I started in sales, I made $600 my first month, and that was because I didn't understand value. Now, in the coaching space, I've closed millions of dollars because I learned this. Premium clients want premium results, and they'll pay premium prices for the right coach. Now, let me give you a quick breakdown. Price per client, $2,000 a month. And then you have a number of clients. Let's say there are 10 clients. The annual revenue there is $240,000. 10 clients, that's it. You're going deep with 10 people who are serious about transformation. Now, if you want to build this stream, here's what you do. First, raise your prices to $1,500 to $2,000 a month, minimum. Second, position yourself as the expert and share your results and client wins. Third, limit availability. When people know you work with 10 clients, they want to be one of the 10. Now that you understand premium one-on-one, if you really want to hit $500,000 a year, you need leverage. That's where stream number 2 comes in. Revenue stream number 2, group coaching programs. Now, why is this important? Group programs are where you create leverage. You're coaching at a high level, but serving multiple people at once. In the $500,000 model, this stream generates $180,000 annually. At a 9-figure coaching company, the coaches who scale fastest master group dynamics. Group programs work because people don't just learn from you, they learn from each other. Now here's the breakdown. Price per participant, $500 a month. Number of participants are 30 people. Annual revenue is $180,000. You don't need 30 on day 1. Start with 10, then 15, then 20. You build this over time. Now here's what you do. First, create clear structure. Weekly calls, curriculum, deliverables. Second, price it at 25 to 30% of your one-on-one price. Third, build community using Slack or Facebook group or WhatsApp. The transformation happens between the calls. Now you got the premium one-on-one and the group programs. The third stream creates freedom. Are you guys following? Revenue stream number 3, passive membership income. This is my favorite. Now, why is this important? This stream runs while you sleep. Passive or membership income is the icing, not the cake, but it's what buys you freedom. In the $500,000 model, this generates $80,000 annually. When I was grinding 80 hours a week, I had income but no freedom. Every dollar was tied to my time. Now I work less than 5 hours a week on the right activities because the LA Groups built systems that create reoccurring revenue. Now here's the breakdown. Price per member, $97 a month. Number of members, 70 people. Annual revenue, $81,480. This is a membership with recorded trainings, monthly Q&A calls, templates, and you're gonna have resources. High value, low touch. Now here's what you do. First, solve one specific problem. Don't try to do everything. Second, make it easy to consume with short videos and templates. Third, market it to your audience who's not ready for premium yet. Now you got all 3 streams. But here's the critical part. Don't build them all at once. You need to know the build order and the math behind it. You can't build a $500,000 business overnight. There's a specific order. And if you try to launch all 3 at once, you'll fail at all 3. When I was rebuilding my life, I had to generate income fast. I just had to. So I focused on one thing, getting really good at closing one-on-one clients. Once I had a consistent monthly revenue, then I added leverage. Here's the order. Phase 1. Months 1 through 6, build one-on-one offer. Get 5 to 10 premium clients at $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Master your process and get results, and then build testimonials. Phase 2, months 7 through 12, launch a group program. Package your one-on-one systems for groups. Start with 10 to 15 people, and then scale it to 30. Then phase 3, months 13 through 18, you build a membership, record your best trainings, and launch to your audience at $97 to $147 a month. You want this to be low ticket. Now let me show you the complete math. Revenue stream number 1, 10 clients times 2,000 a month equals $240,000 annually. Revenue stream number 2, 30 participants at $500 a month equals $180,000 annually. And then revenue stream number 3, 70 members at $97 a month equals $81,000 annually. That totals to $501,000 annually. You're only doing 10 one-on-one calls per week, 1 to 2 group calls per week, and 1 membership call per month. That's 15 to 20 hours per week on delivery. You can't give someone something you don't have. Master the one-on-one transformation first, then you scale it. And here's what you do. First, commit to phase 1 for 6 months minimum. Don't get distracted. Second, don't launch phase 2 until you have at least 5 premium clients. Third, track everything. Close rates, retention, monthly recurring revenue. And here's the truth about selling these. Premium one-on-one requires sales calls with 30 to 50% close rate. Group programs need webinars or workshops with 5 to 15% conversion. Membership should be frictionless. Online purchases with about 2 to 5% email list conversion. Master the person, not the program. People invest in coaches they like, trust, and believe in. Now, if you're serious about building this in your coaching business, pull out your phone right now and text me at 480-989-4133. Shoot me a text and any questions you have regarding the training or some things that you want to learn for 2026, reach out to me and I'll get back to you. This is my real number. Stop playing small. Your clients are waiting for you to step up and lead them. I got your back for life.